Welcome, food lovers! Today we're exploring the versatile world of basil, a beloved herb in cuisines from Italy to Thailand. We'll discover how basil enhances salads, pasta, caprese salad, bruschetta, stir-fries, and even soups and stews. So buckle up as we dive into the world of basil-infused meals. First off, we have basil in salads, a simple yet flavorful way to incorporate basil into your meals. Tear or chop basil leaves for a fragrant touch, pairing beautifully with tomatoes, mozzarella, and balsamic glaze. And there you have it, a simple salad elevated by the addition of fresh basil. Next up, we're making a classic basil pesto for pasta. Imagine blending fresh basil leaves with pine nuts, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. Add a drizzle of olive oil and voila, a vibrant, savory pesto sauce. Tossed with cooked pasta, it's a quick, delicious meal. A simple pasta dish transformed into a gourmet meal with homemade basil pesto. But that's not all. Basil can be used in a myriad of other dishes. Let's take a quick tour. Caprese salad, basil-infused olive oil, tomato and basil bruschetta, stir-fries, soups, and stews. This herb lends an aromatic charm, enhancing the flavor profile. As you can see, basil is a versatile herb that can take your meals from ordinary to extraordinary. There you have it, folks. We've explored basil's versatility from fresh salads to comforting stews. It shines in pesto pasta, elevates a caprese salad, and even livens up a simple bruschetta. The next time you're in the kitchen, remember, don't be shy with the basil. It might just be the secret ingredient you've been looking for. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for growing with us.